Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Roblox, but I don't know what we're gonna play. Hold on, I saw a video of somebody playing what's it called? Twilight Zone or something like that. No, is this? No, it was like this other like version of Dandy's World. It was like, or just Twilight maybe? No, I saw it somewhere. I saw it. I know for a fact I saw it somewhere. Sorry guys, this might take a minute. You can speed up the video to when I find it. Where did it go? Oh, there. This is, oh, so it was that other game. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna be playing Twilight Zone today, because why not? Because I saw a video of somebody playing it. But I don't know how to play. So drinks water. Welcome to Twilight Zone. Step into Hollywood, 1938. Twilight's Tower is a hotel holding many mysteries to unlock. Step aboard an elevator to ascend to different floors. Survive the spirits that rest within the hotel while completing capacitor. Capacitor? Is that what that says? Machines and spirit traps. Completing these will reward you with votes to purchase different stars within the shop. Yeah, this is knockoff Dandy's World. Okay, this star receives. Oh, these are stars. Okay, this star receives a 10% speed boost to their machine when any other star completes a machine. This star gets a 50% speed boost for 5. So this is like Poppy, and this one's like Boxton. Okay, I guess I'll choose Poppy or Perfy. Oh, Perfy, because it's a perfume bottle. Okay. Oh wait, the snowman. The snowman is kind of cute. Wait, I want the penguin. How do I get the penguin? Yeah, the penguin is so cute. 1,250 snowflakes survive 50 floors. I can do that. I can do that. Relics. Okay, don't need those. Skins. Does a penguin have a skin? No, penguin doesn't have a skin. Wow. Wait, what's the star one? How do I get the star one? Oh, it's oh, the Twilight's Zone. This is oh, so the main. This one's a main. Are they all mains? No. So these 3, 4. So this one. Oh, okay. So this is Dandy's World, basically. Okay. How do we start? Spirits. Play where? Oh, I'm kind of blind. It's okay. No, that's role play, not play. Oh, I did. Okay. Sorry that if you guys just want to like skip to the part where I actually start playing, go ahead and do that. Oh my gosh. Okay, give me a minute. Oh wow, what the? Is that what they look like? What the heck? Those look weird. Cool, but weird. Cool, but weird. Oh, it's like a Demogorgon. Okay, I need to go back to the main lobby now. Need to drink some more water. Bro, no, I don't want to be here anymore. I'm gonna join my sister now. Yeah, I played this game too, Kitty's World. Give me a minute, I haven't even fully loaded in yet. Chill. I have one still in and 1/3 of one still. What? I'm embarrassed because of the music I'm listening to. Okay. Where are you? Are you the snowman? Oh, okay. Where are you? Oh, I see you. Hi. Okay. You know what? Hey, come in. Where'd you go? Come in. Get in. I don't know how to play that. Yes, we got someone else. That one kind of looks like Astro. Playing as Ringo. Oh, because it's a bell and it rings. Can we just start now? And this one's named Perfy because it's a perfume bottle. So this is like, we got this team. I have never played this game before. Ooh, what's this? Right here. Stars? Oh, they're like the tapes. Snowflakes? Oh my gosh, this game's actually really cool. Hide, you can hide. I like how you can hide. Ooh, 45 stamina. So what am I supposed to be looking for exactly? I don't know what to do. Well, that other, I played one round GTE. What? How? While repairing a capacitor machine, increases skill check when, I don't need that. I'm awesome at skill check. I've played Dandy's World. Oh, these things. I like how they use GTE. Like in Dandy's World. Come on, bro. We got, upon use, it replenishes all of your stamina. Oh, so it's like a bottle of pop. No, it's like a protein bar. Oh, whoa, what the heck? Can I buy any of this? No? I only have 5 stars. Oh, you have mastery too. No, I wanted those stars. Oh, you meanies. Ooh, I found one. Look, look, look. I found found a machine. There's supposed to be skill checks. Oh, so this is like Dandy's World. It's just different. Yes, I did it! Upon use, boosts a random stat for 5 seconds. There we go. Wait. Increases stamina regeneration from... What? I want my other thing back. Oh, mine. I got it. Whoa, what the heck? Hi. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do I do? What? I think they are twisted. It's just spirits instead. I think that's what they were called. Hello. Hi. You'll never catch me. Do I have an ability? Oh! Haha. Go away. You hurt my friend. I'm just kidding. I don't know who this person is. Yay! We're doing so good. Voltage or big winner. Each. Oh, I guess I did this. Increases the max stamina of all stars by 10. Oh, I got more stamina. What do we have? You meanie! Stop taking my stuff. Hi. Oh, is that me? Is that twisted me or spirit me? Oh, I'm so fast. No, watch out. Research books. Oh my gosh. Why was that so scary? Run! Watch out! Oh gosh, where am I going? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Ah! I don't know where I'm going! Ah! It hit me! I didn't know where I was going! What's this? When you are on a floor like that with the boxes, you lead the spirits to them and it counts as a machine. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I don't like how you can't walk through the door. And there's a little tiny space for you to be. Oh, I want this thing back. Yes. Oh, you're being chased. Oh, watch out. Oh, watch out. No, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to that other person. Hello. Ooh, I'm using so much stuff. Hi. No, give it to me. I want it. Give it to me. The thing that's chasing you. Give it to me. I want it. Research. I'm so rich right now. Oh, I found a machine! I found a machine! Ah! Okay, guys, this game is really cool. I like it. How have I never played this game? And where's the research? How do you get research? I picked up one research book. But how do I get more? Wait, how do I get more research? Ooh, bubblegum. No, give it to me. I want it. Bro, give it to me. Give it to me. I want it. Thank you. We've all lost our heart. Okay, I don't care. Uh-oh, looks like we're going down. Nice job, everyone. Oh no. Wait, how to build a snowman. Locate the glowing yellow snowman pieces. Oh no! I don't know what to do! Locate the glowing yellow snowman pieces around the map. Pick them up. No, I didn't get to read it! That means Frosty. Frosty? Who's that? Oh, the snowman guy? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Did they see me? No. Okay. Did I just get seen? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I'm being ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, help me! Ah! Oh my gosh! I'm almost dead! Ah! No, I didn't mean to use my stuff. Research book. Hi. So apparently we have Frosty. Yeah. I got a stick. Oh, we need to build stuff on the snowman. Who's that? Who's that other thing? No, who's the other one? Is it the penguin? I'm scared. Ah! Oh my gosh! Ah! Ah! I died! I died! Oh well. Are you gonna die? I am. I already did. I can't believe I died. What? How do I? Oh. Let's see how much research I got on everything. So apparently that was Frosty, the snowman. Spirits. So I got some on Ringo. I got some on Perfy, Saturn, and Frosty. I got 9% on Frosty. I got 7% on Saturn. I got 12% on Perfy, and I got 5% on Ringo. It's at the bottom. Spirits. You have emotes? Can I buy Frosty? No, I want to get the penguin. I forgot. Do I have an ability? Because if I don't, that's kind of sad. You sacrificed. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I had ability. Okay, want to play again? A, B, C for the long run. A, B, C. Oh, A, B, C for Nightmare Run. Yeah, no. I'm just going in here with you. Wait, are you in here? I'm spinning. Something has changed with you deep. No. Yes. Come back, Perfy. So I kind of still don't know how to play this game. What was his name? Twilight? I think they're a main. It starts with sorry. But cannot just end there. I learned from Charlie. Stares at my sister. Wait, we're alone? No, we're not alone. Yay! Hi! Oh, I'm so close to getting my mastery. Mine. 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 Wait, whose research should I just get? Me? I'm not distracting. How the heck am I supposed to distract? I'm freaking knockoff Poppy. What? That's Dandy's World distracting skills, not Twilight Zone. Live to live again tomorrow. Hi. Ah! I didn't ask you to hit me. I just wanted to say hi. You're so mean. Hi. Did you just take my bubblegum? Why do you keep taking my bubblegum? It's my bubblegum. I want to grief you. Bubblegum. It starts with sorry, though it cannot just end there. I learned from Charlie. Are you right behind me? Is that you? Or who is this? Was that you? Are you being chased? Oh, yeah. This other person's just guarding me. Thank you for doing that for me. GTE! GTE. Girl. Is that the elevator? No, that's a room. Are these things just blind or like how do they not see us? Ah! Ah! This meanie! Live to see a ray of sunshine. Was that a grief? Did I just see a grief? That was a grief, you meanie. You were brave, you sacrificed yourself to save another's life. Something has changed with you deep within. Are you on one heart? Yeah, I think everyone's on one heart. Where do I go? Where do I go? I can see that. Oh, they died. Oh, 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 what's happening? Why are you so weird? Oh no! What? What did you just say? thought I just saw you hop. Oh, hey, look, it's Twisted Perfy. Hi. No, not Prify. Perfy! I didn't see it coming behind me. Died. Before we repent. So who was that other one? That other floaty thing? I forgot. Saturn? No. Saturn was the one on the special floor. Wait, why do I have, like, nothing? Oh! I didn't see it, because it's all black. I didn't see that. So, Doc? Who needs all spirits? Me! I do, so come. Why am I so bald? I just realized how bald I am. That is, the little thingy is not our hair. Oh, come on. We're going. I think. Oh, come on. In here. In the first one. Are you in? No? Come on. No, the one with with the one with the penguin in it. No, I can't. You didn't make it. No, there's some on the other side of the room. Oh well, looks like you're going on your own or with someone else. Because I'm not restarting. I have a penguin with me. Look, we have Talk, we have Gwen, we have Ringo, and we have another Perfy. This is a goated team. We are gonna do this. And oh no, be Gwen. Gwen is cute. So is Talk a main? Oh, I think Talk is a main. Talk is a main. Oh my gosh, I have a main with me. Haha. It starts with sorry. How do you get these little thingies? I like how you can have 3 instead of just 2, like in Dandy's World. I'm just going around picking up everything I can possibly find. So I found 2 research books. I think I need 2 more. Okay, so there's a person in there. How'd they get in there? I found a chocolate bar. I'm just going around picking up everything I can possibly find. So I think that's okay. Live to see a ray of sunshine. Oh, I got the pink thing. I don't know what the pink thing does. Hi. No! Watch out! Don't worry, I'll save you. Never mind, I won't save you. Oh, come on, don't worry, I'll save you. Ah! Come on. No! Gwen. Oh, what? What did she just do? What? How did that work? Oh, it's probably her ability. It's probably her ability. Oh, dang, I gotta go. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Gotta go. Where is it? Nobody died! Woohoo! I'm gonna get Frosty again. How do I get Frosty? In the battle with Adam, you sacrifice yourself to save another's life. Something has changed with you deep within. Oh, here. No, no, stop, stop, stop. Take it, take it. I don't want it. Guess I'll have it. Since you ran away from me. It starts with sorry. Though it does not just end there, I learned from Charlie. I'm too good, too good. Oh, I think I almost did it. I think I did. I did it. 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 Did I do it? Oh, I did it! I got 150. I did the machine. Oh my gosh. Are these things blind? What is... Like, I was just like right in front of it, like that. And it didn't see me. Okay, you can stop chasing me now. No. I got stuck right there. You were brave, you sacrificed yourself to save another's life. Something had changed with you deep. Oh! I feel like I've picked up a lot more stars. Oh, I gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go. Perfy, chase me. I need you to reach. Oh, that's not Perfy. That's not Perfy. That's not Perfy. No, we lost the Ringo. That's sad. This one, Big Winter. Each star receives 25 stars to use in Twilight's shop in the elevator. Ooh. So it's pretty much like uh the tapes thing. I forgot what it's called. Is this talk even doing anything? Is that what it's called? Talk? Is talk even doing anything? I can survive 50 floors. I think I can do that. What? Already? How? Yeah, I need to get research. Chill out with the machines. Because they're going too fast. Research. Research? No. How are you guys so fast? At doing these machines? No buy? Okay. I won't. Is it like trying to get Dandy? No, I didn't say trying to get. No, I said, is it like trying to get Dandy? Because I said no buy. So I'm not gonna buy. But then I'm like, wait, does this have something to do with like Twisted Dandy or something? Wait, what? No, come back out. I want to get research. Hello. Hi. Ah! Ah, stole my stars. Or my, Yeah, my stars. No, my snowflakes. Those were snowflakes, not stars. How do I do this? I don't understand this game, really. Well, I do. I'm just kidding. I do understand it. But, like, what? Where'd it go? Pick up this repair book. Oh, research. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know. I want to find the thing that I was trying to find before. The spirit, that thing. I want this. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. No! I'm on one heart. 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 How do I heal? Oh, I'm alone? Wait a minute. It said this. The other person that we were playing with said that if we lead the spirits to those box things, then it would count as a machine. Was that right? Wait, what? I thought I was dead, but it went into the box before I died, so that's good. So now what do I do? I don't know what to do right now. You're coming with me. Come on. We're gonna go find another box. Oh my gosh, these pro skills. No! I'm not gonna play hide or die. Guys, I don't like being alone. Private? Oh, a machine. Fear didn't drive you to wickedness. You were brave. You sacrificed yourself to save another's life. Something had changed with you deep within. What is she doing with her leg? That's my question. Why do I smell toast? Oh, okay. Why do I smell toast over here? Oh, I did it! Now I just need to find one more. Why is it so hard to find them? Why do I keep getting trapped in there? No, I just did that one. What the? Where is it? How do I get? Where is it? They're about to know who they're dealing with. Every one of them. Oh my goodness, I keep getting caught in there. It's not in here. probably not gonna be over here. Is it in here? Ooh, soda. Stars. No, don't see me. No! What the? Duolingo just sent me a freaking notification. No, go away. Where is it? No, I'm not getting caught in there again. I'll try going down here. I don't know where to go. Where's the last machine? You know what, guys? I give up. So, yeah, I guess that's gonna be like the end of this video. So, yeah. Bye.